Big data will have a profound effect on society in the future. Our everyday life will be increasingly accompanied and influenced by computing and communication devices. These devices are integrated in large networks and produce enormous amounts of data. Novel solutions are needed to be able to deal with these enormous volumes of data in the future. In addition, questions are being raised regarding privacy and ownership of data. This results in highly relevant research questions.
NRP 75 contains a portfolio of 35 unique and very different projects. These projects all have specific goals for concrete outputs. So for example, one project aims to provide technology that allows machines to understand and learn speech, which means that in the future we may be able to have intelligent conversations with machines.
I'm Lydia Chen from IBM Research. I'm going to present the project about Approximate Analytics and Processing Platform. The project objective is to make today's data center IoT system more secure and reliable through the power of big data. What we see is that in the big data there's so much, but the catch here is you no longer need to solve all of the data, but only use a subset of good ones. To do this trick, you need to leverage a special structure in the data, that is their spatial and temporal dependencies.
The thing is that when we have this big amount of data, we can use it to infer the relationship between genes. But the current computational methods that we are using, they are too expensive. We would like to use machine learning and take advantages of the big data that we have to infer the information that we want in genomics.
So the Swiss swine industry is very unique compared to swine industries in other parts of the world. It has many small independent producers who have just recently started producing data. This data is nobody's ever done anything with this data. So we will bring that data together and try to develop tools to create information from this data that we can use to improve the health of pigs in Switzerland.
NRP 75 Big Data supports 35 research projects. 14 different Swiss universities as well as additional partners are working on these projects. NRP 75 will provide results on data analysis, data management, and data security. Researchers will also explore the societal and regulatory challenges of big data. Further research will include concrete applications of big data, for example, in the areas of transportation, medicine, genetics, or crisis management. The total funding of NRP 75 is 25 million francs. The duration of the research is 5 years.